Let's make Nem Nuong Cuon.
The truth about Nem Nuong Cuon is that it's only 60% complete if it goes without the special orange dipping sauce. Let me show you the secret recipe on how to make this sauce. Brodard Restaurant in Westminster, California is well known for their Nem Nuong Cuon along with this savory sauce. But this is not where it started. Originally, this is Nem Nuong Ninh Hoa in Nha Trang, Vietnam, my hometown. The Nem Nuong itself is actually pretty easy and straightforward to make. I used pre-made Nem Nuong packaged meat and added a bit of oil and extra black pepper to the mix before shaping it on lemongrass stalks and grilling over charcoal. A method used in Hue, Vietnam called Nem Nuong. Now for the sauce. In 4 cups of water, add 1 cup of unwashed glutinous rice and 1 can of chicken stock. Make sure to remove any foam that floats to the top. Once the grain busts and the consistency thickens, set aside. Using half a pound of pork liver, trim off any white chewy fiber and cut into small chunks. Add milk to cover with a bit of salt. Let sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with water and dry it off with paper towels. In a saucepan, add 1 cup of annatto seed oil, half a garlic minced, half pound of the prepped pork liver, half pound ground pork, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons chicken granulate, 4 tablespoons fish sauce, and about half a jar of the shrimp paste with soybean oil. Stir and simmer on low heat for about 4 minutes before adding in the congee. Mix and let it simmer on low for about 5 minutes before blending.
Yo, I love this thing, man. I got this for like 40 bucks at Costco. I think you can find it on Amazon for like 60 bucks, but at Costco it was like for 40 bucks. This makes it so convenient to make this sauce. If you were to make this sauce without this thing, you have to let that congee cool down to room temperature before you can put it in the food processor. Otherwise, you're gonna burn out your food processor. So this sauce is kind of like congee. So if you leave it for a while, this is gonna get really thick, maybe a little bit too dry. So if it does get too thick though, you can actually reheat it up and add a little bit of chicken broth in to loosen it up a little bit. And then some fish sauce or a little bit more sugar, just depending on your taste. But this right now just tastes perfect. Perfect to me. Mmm.